Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design this logo using the grid method. Make sure watch to the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the line segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line. Select a white stroke color. After that, select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now I will generate automatically others copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. Now select all. Right-click on the mouse. Go to the transform. Rotate. Rotate 60 degrees. And copy. Now select these two lines, and press delete. Again select these lines. And go to the transform. Reflect. And copy. Now place it like this. After that, select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Open the color plate. Select this color and click here. Select this and fill this. Do this in the same way. Okay, after that, hold Shift and select these shapes. Now, click and drag it out. Select these extra parts and press delete. Now select all, and stroke color none from here. Now we need to apply this color to this logo. Now select this. With the eyedropper tool, pick this color. Select this. Press I on the eyedropper tool. Pick this color. Select this. Pick this color. Do this all in the same way. Perfect. After that, select the Type tool. Click, and type the logo name. Select white color. I will use the Nexa bold font. Now select this. Hold Alt and copy. Hold Shift and make them small. And take the tracking point around 400. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.